Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases out of the small cap world every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next great small cap investment. It's Friday, June the 13th. Scary day, Friday the 13th. Hopefully the markets won't have a scary day. I've got 3 press releases for you from both sides of the border, plus 1 stock call. So let's start you off first with International Barrier Technology, trades on both the venture and the OTC. On the OTC under IBTGF, on the venture under IBH. They're announcing that they realized 25% sales revenue growth year over year for the month of May, and monthly sales volume shipped are highest since October 2006. First, let's go to the May number. Overall monthly sales revenue increased 25% to $580,000. That's a 25% increase over May last year. In addition, for the period January through the end of May 2008, sales are $2.16 million. That compares to about $2.03 million, an increase of about $126,000. So, nice increase there. Why is this especially important? Why I like it? Not just the numbers, but here's a quote from Dr. Michael Huddy, President and CEO of the company. While the building industry remains impacted by the current economic conditions, Barrier is optimistic with the results from the first 5 months of calendar year 2008. So what you've got is a really poor housing environment in the U.S., and yet International Barrier has revenues on the increase. Why? International Barrier develops, manufactures, and markets proprietary fire-resistant building materials branded as BlazeGuard. We've known about this company for quite a while now, and it looks like they're making inroads. Looks like they closed yesterday at 16 cents. That's just off their 52-week low of 15 cents and way off the 52-week high of 45. So do your own due diligence, but nice to see that their sales numbers are actually up. Staying with the OTC, GrayMark Healthcare trades over there on the stock symbol GRMH. They announced that they completed 2 acquisitions, one company called Sleep Development Group and the other one called Nocturna Sleep. Let's get to the details first. These were LOIs that were finally completed. SDG, they announced an LOI to acquire them in February 2008. It's now been acquired. SDG is located in Texas, consists of 3 sleep centers, and performed more than 4,000 sleep studies in 2007. Revenue there, $3.5 million. Nice acquisition. Nocturna, they signed an LOI with them earlier this year as well. They've got a leading independent sleep diagnostic facility that's comprised of 2 locations, housing a total of 10 beds in which to diagnose patients. They perform more than 3,000 sleep studies per year in the Las Vegas market. Revenues last year, $3 million. He had $6.5 million in acquisitions. That's why I'm reporting on this company here. Stanton Nelson, President and CEO of the company, had the following to say. By acquiring SDG and Nocturna, we'll enter into 2 developing and fast-growing markets that are new to our company. In addition, each of these companies has an established brand, a solid customer base with excellent growth potential. We expect both companies to add approximately $6.5 million of incremental revenue to GrayMark, so great acquisitions there for the company. They closed yesterday at $7, so way up there. That's about halfway through their 52-week trading range, high of $14.90, low of $1.25. Good news out of GrayMark. And finally, Gamma Pharmaceuticals trades on the OTC under GMPM. They announced that they announced expanded distribution of their products into 12 states with a leading Midwest distributor. And this isn't just one of those empty agreements that we see all the time. In fact, they're expecting to recognize revenue immediately beginning at the beginning of the second quarter. They announced this deal with DPI Midwest, which is a big distributor of nutritional products. They have a network of more than 3,000 retail outlets in 12 states. They're going to start shipping the products in the last week of June, and the company expects to, again, like we said, recognize revenue beginning in the second quarter, ending June 30th, 2008. Peter Cunningham here, Chief Executive Officer of the company, said this. During meetings, Gamma will exhibit all 36 SKUs now available, negotiate sales orders, and negotiate in-store promotions for the consumers, as well as allowances and performance incentives for the retailers. This is a meeting with at least 600 of DPI's retail, chain, and large independent accounts. Gamma Pharmaceuticals, what I like about them, they're a marketing and product formulation company focused on developing, marketing, selling innovative products, lines of nutritional supplements, personal care products, and OTC pharmaceutical products in Greater China and the U.S. Closed yesterday at $1.60. Again, right in the middle of the 52-week trading range. They had a high of $3.30. One stock call to report for you. Grand Banks Energy trades on the venture under the stock symbol GBE. They were halted today at 9 o'clock. Pending news. That's a wrap. As always on a Friday, expect it to be a slow news day. 3 press releases, but as always, we're focusing on quality over quantity. 3 great press releases for you. If you're looking for more great small cap companies, don't forget about the AGORACOM marketplace. About 90 companies listed by industry and exchange with great summary descriptions so you can quickly find the one that best suits your small cap portfolio. That's a wrap. Have a fantastic weekend. We'll see you on Monday.